Hi, this is Shalan Hill, and I'm wanting to share with you the second step on how to get to a handstand for beginners. So here we go. If you got the first step done, we go into that short down dog. Lift one foot onto the wall and lift yourself up into that full 90-degree angle. Widen your upper back, ears between your biceps. If you feel really strong in this pose, firm your belly. You can extend one leg straight up to the sky and flex your foot hard and push up toward the ceiling like you're trying to hold up the ceiling with that foot. Keep your arms straight and your shoulder blades wide. Deep breath in, deep breath out. If you need a break, you slowly lower your feet to the ground again, or you can try the other leg. Straight legs, both legs straight, arms straight, belly strong, flex your foot. Try to push up to the ceiling with that foot. Deep breaths. And then grab the wall with your feet again. One foot to the ground, both feet to the ground. Take a rest. So child's pose is a good place. Don't lift your head fast though. Take your time. Let your body acclimate and breathe. So good luck with this step. I want to know how it goes for you. Take good care. Namaste.